हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं सविता और स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल सिंपल लर्निंग इन माय स्टाइल में। आज की वीडियो में मैं करंट अफेयर बताऊंगी आपको 1 अक्टूबर टू 10 अक्टूबर तक के। वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक शेयर करें। तो बढ़ते हैं वीडियो में। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज इंटरनेशनल ट्रांसलेशन डे वॉज ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन विच डेट? आंसर इज 30th September. Next, which state launched livelihood generation portal for returned migrant workers? Nagaland. Answer is Nagaland. जो ये रिटर्न माइग्रेंट वर्कर्स थे जो कोविड की वजह से जितने वर्कर्स अपने स्टेट वापस चले गए हैं, तो उनके लिए वहाँ की गवर्नमेंट ने लाइवलीहुड जनरेशन, उनके रोजगार के लिए योजना शुरू की है। तो नागालैंड सरकार ने किया है। थर्ड, हु इनॉग्रेटेड नेशंस फर्स्ट म्यूजियम ऑन गंगा? हमारे देश का पहला जो म्यूजियम बना है ऑन गंगा रिवर पे, वो किसने इनॉग्रेट किया था? आंसर इज नरेंद्र मोदी, पीएम नरेंद्र मोदी। और ये हरिद्वार में है ये म्यूजियम। नेक्स्ट, विच बैंक बिकम्स फर्स्ट बैंक टू इनेबल डॉक्यूमेंट एम्बेडिंग फीचर ऑन SFMS? आंसर इज IDBI बैंक। SFMS की फुल फॉर्म है स्ट्रक्चर्ड फाइनेंशियल मैसेजिंग सिस्टम। स्ट्रक्चर्ड फाइनेंशियल मैसेजिंग सिस्टम। नेक्स्ट इज हु इज द ब्रांड एम्बेसडर ऑफ वेदांतु? आंसर इज आमिर खान। वेदांतु जो ऑनलाइन ट्यूटोरियल हमारे ऐप जो शुरू हुआ है, तो उसके ब्रांड एम्बेसडर हैं आमिर खान। नेक्स्ट, हु नेम्ड FTII गवर्निंग काउंसिल चेयरमैन? आंसर इज शेखर कपूर। फुल फॉर्म ऑफ FTII इज फिल्म एंड टेलीविजन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंडिया। नेक्स्ट, NABARD to undertake sanitation literacy campaign in which state? Answer is Karnataka. Full form of NABARD is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Next, who launched a book titled A Bouquet of Flowers? Answer Rajnath Singh. और ये बुक रिटन बाय डॉक्टर कृष्णा सक्सेना। जो बुक है बुके ऑफ फ्लावर्स, ये डॉक्टर कृष्णा सक्सेना ने लिखी है। नेक्स्ट, GOI appointed whom as new chairman of TRAI, Telecom Regulatory of India, full form of TRAI? Answer is PD Waghela. Next, who is honored with special humanitarian actions award by UNDP? Answer is Sonu Sood, and he received this award on 28 September 2020. Next, who has launched Operation My Saheli to boost the security of women passengers? Answer is the South Eastern Railway. Next, who gave assent to taxation and other laws bill? Answer Ramnath Kovind. Next, which bank launched Green Tech Initiative IBE Note? Answer is Indian Bank. Green Tech that means paperless work, ये करते शुरू किया इन्होंने। Next, who launched Defense India Startup Challenge 4 released PMA guidelines for IDEX? Answer is Rajnath Singh, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh, and full form of IDEX is Innovations for Defense Excellence. Next, which state tourism won PATA Grand Award 2020? Answer is Kerala. Full form of PATA is Pacific Asia Travel Association. Next, who announced the Shanti Swaroop Bhatnagar Prize 2020? Answer is Dr. Harsh Vardhan. Next, who surpassed Dhoni's record to take the top position in the list of wicket keepers with most dismissal in T20? Answer is Elisa Hele. 18th, when did the International Day of Older Persons been observed? Answer 1st October. Next, which company launched Make Small Strong campaign? Answer is Google India. Next, who launched new logo of Sports Authority of India? Answer is Kiren Rijiju. Next, Union Minister launched various services for farmers in which state? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Next, which day is observed on October 1st every year? Answer is International Coffee Day. Next, who represented India at UN Summit on Biodiversity held on September 30, 2020? Answer is Prakash Javadekar. Priya Vardhan has been appointed as the Chief Secretary of which state? Answer is Haryana. Next, India plans to build 100-bedded cancer hospital and 22,000-seater cricket stadium in which country? Answer is Maldives. Next, who heads the panel constituted by Government of India to examine Chinese foreign investment proposals? Answer is Ajay Kumar Bhalla. Next, who has been appointed as the Director General of National Security Guard? Answer is S.S. Deswal. Next, who inaugurated Atal Tunnel, world's longest high altitude tunnel? Answer is Narendra Modi. Next, who launched portal for online pension submission and tracking? Answer is Sarbananda Sonowal. Next, when did the World Day for Farmed Animals being celebrated? Answer is 2nd October. And next, which organization will get new communication network ESCON for rupees 7,796 crore? Answer is Indian Army. And the full form of ESCON is Army Static Switch Communication Network. Next, which country successfully test fires new version of nuclear capable Shaurya missile? Answer is India. Next, who participated in the 25th anniversary of the 4th World Conference on Women? Answer is Smriti Irani. Next, which state launched Pathshri Abhijan scheme for road repair? Answer is West Bengal. Next, which bank introduced special Kisan credit card loan to fishermen? Answer is Indian Bank. Next, where did Indian Navy helicopters undertake aerial seeding initiative? Answer is Vishakhapatnam. Next, how much time did R Green Kit take to diagnose COVID-19 infection? Answer 2. Next, social activist Pushpa Bhave was also known by which name? Answer is Iron Lady of Mumbai. Next, every year the National Wildlife Week is being celebrated on which date? Answer is 2 to 8 October. Next, No Mask No Ride was launched by police of which district of Maharashtra? Answer is Sangli. Next, who launched coffee table book on Gandhi Jayanti? Answer is Manish Sisodia. Next, who won International Online Shooting Championship? Answer is Vishnu Shivraj Pandian. Next, the World Habitat Day was being observed on which date? Answer is 5th October. Next, Mishti Mukherjee passed away. She belonged to which profession? Answer is actress. Next, the Right Livelihood Award Foundation has announced how many winners of the 2020? Answer is 4. Next, which country moved to WTO on COVID-19 prevention? Answer is India and South Africa. Next, where did the new family of bony fish discovered? Answer is Odisha. Next, IACC presented Lifetime Achievement Award to whom? Answer is Ratan Tata. And full form of IACC is Indo-American Chamber of Commerce. Next, where did Quad foreign ministers meet being held? Answer is Tokyo. Which country is to send first ever asteroid mining robot into space? Answer is China. And last one is which forest is at the risk of changing from forest to savanna? Answer is Amazon forest. आज की वीडियो में इतना ही, मिलते हैं फिर किसी और वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय.